Hi, and welcome to the walkthrough of the next-gen content creation with AI-driven highlights and real assembly demo. Thank you for joining. My name is Toby Nietzsche. I'm a solutions architect with AWS, focusing on artificial intelligence, media and entertainment, games and sports workloads. Highlight videos of live events are a crucial tool for right holders to reach and engage fans. However, tailoring videos to various aspect ratios needed for each delivery destination and social media platform is traditionally a labor-intensive and time-consuming process. By building a serverless, event-driven architecture on AWS, customers can harness the power of AWS native services and AWS partner solutions to accelerate and automate the highlight creation and distribution process. This automation enables broadcasters to deliver highlights to fans faster than ever by using AI to automatically detect key moments, generate engaging narration in multiple languages, and enable context-aware reframing for multiple aspect ratios. Let's have a closer look at the reference architecture. On the left, you see the broadcast environment, explained in detail in another walkthrough video. It receives live video streams from multiple cameras. Then a signal, a live show, is mixed in the master control room. All camera feeds, as well as the program streams, are also recorded live and chunked using a time-addressable media store, in short, TAMS. This solution supports our demo by creating a near-live repository where time-coded chunks can be retrieved via an API. You can learn more about TAMS in another walkthrough video. So what triggers our demo workflow? Beyond video, live events often also emit signals like session start, finish, and other key moments. We capture those events in a DynamoDB table. An EventBridge pipe filters for session end events and invokes a Lambda function that collects all prior events of that specific session. This function requests a video segment of the full session via the TAMS API and stores it in a simple storage service, in short S3 bucket, in the Highlight Factory AWS account. It also builds a JSON object containing all session events and stores it in the same S3 bucket as the video. An EventBridge rule detects the upload of video objects to that S3 bucket and triggers the highlight creation step functions workflow. First, the multimodal GenAI model Pegasus by AWS partner 12 Labs is used to find highlights of the video. If event data is available in S3, we also provide this information to the model to improve scene selection. The result is a timestamped list of highlights with short summaries. From here, two branches run in parallel, video and audio. On the video side, Lambda functions running FFmpeg extract the highlight clips in parallel, which are then stitched together using the concentration and transition features of AWS partner solution Cloudinary. The edit is then reframed into various aspect ratios like portrait, fitting for social media platforms. On the audio side, we rephrase the Pegasus-provided summaries into commentary-style narration using the Amazon Nova Pro Foundation model on Bedrock. Amazon Nova Micro handles optional translations, and text-to-speech is then performed by AWS partner solutions DeepDub and ODub. Once both branches finish, a Lambda function uses FFmpeg to merge the reframed video with the localized audio files, producing one highlight video per configured language. For distribution, the finished highlight videos are uploaded to AWS partner solutions ScorePlay, a CMS, and a Media Lake on AWS. You can learn more about a Media Lake on AWS in another walkthrough video. The entire workflow is fully automated, API-driven, and triggered with each uploaded video object. Now let's briefly explore the partner solutions used. Here in the 12 Labs playground, we've uploaded some sample footage and created embeddings. This allows us to query for highlight moments which appear instantly with their descriptions. DeepDub and ODub are used to turn the Nova-generated texts into audio. Here we can adjust parameters like speed and tone. Let's have a listen to a sample of DeepDub.
The engines were alive and they're off. What a start navigating that first time with precision. Adrenaline is pumping.
And here's a sample of ODub.
Les moteurs sont en marche et les voilà partis. Quel départ! Naviguons ce premier virage avec précision. L'adrénaline monte.
For segment concentration and transitions, Cloudinary provides a range of video manipulation tools. And Clear AI from Prime Focus Technologies reframes landscape videos into various aspect ratios like 9:16 and square, optimized for mobile playback and social media platforms. The resulting clips, or reels, are uploaded and registered to multiple destinations for further distribution. Here we see the AWS Partner Solutions CorePlay, which allows us to further automate the management and distribution of sports-related media. And that concludes our walkthrough. Thank you once again for your interest.